Hello guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to arrange stone on your stone board. So we have a different type of design. We have 1 million board, we have Gucci board, we have different type of design. Just determine the design that you want for your dress. So now this is a transfer sheet. This sheet is used to transfer your to transfer your stone from your stony board to your dress. So now what you have to do here, you have to pour your stone on your board and just arrange it gently. Use anything, maybe like foam or your clothes. Just look for a small pieces of clothes to arrange the stone inside the hose, just gently. So now this is a picker. This picker is used to arrange your stone inside the hole gently. You just take your picker after pouring the stone inside the board. Some will not sit inside the hole, while some will be on the top. So you just have to use your picker to pick up those stone that is not sitting well and those one that you want to fix inside the hole. So now we have different type of design of board. If you are doing full board like 1 million board, you just have to look for someone. Two people is going to be using that transfer sheet on it. Somebody will stand at the upper side while the other person will stand at the other side of the board to just pick up the stone, because one person can't pick up that stone. So now after arranging it, you have to cut out the length of your stone on your transfer sheet. So now you have to remove your transfer sheet from the back. So now the part we are using here is this transparent nylon. So you just have to place it gently. This is a small size board that I arrange. So you just have to place it gently the way I'm doing here. So after placing it, everything can come up with the transfer sheet. Just look for foam or clothes to just touch the edge, so that everything down will come up with the transfer sheet. So after doing that, you just have to remove it gently. So some people believe that if they don't have iron, that they can't arrange stone on stone board. No. What you just have to do is just to have your iron. So after arranging it this way, just place it on your dress and place your iron on it gently. So after picking your stone, some might have adjusted, so you just have to take your picker to arrange it very well. So now after arranging it, I pick up my stone with my transfer sheet. I place it on my dress this way. So that's my stoning machine. You just put it on it. So after putting it on it, do you see how lovely it is sitting on my dress? So thank you guys for watching my video. See you next on my tutorial. Bye.